Okay, in order to run this script, make sure you have CheatLayer installed. If you don't have CheatLayer installed, this button will turn into a link to the Chrome extension. Click the Run on CheatLayer button and it will open and save the scripts to your cheat list. Then navigate to a search on Amazon.com, open CheatLayer, edit the product scraper script, and now if you've set up your Google Sheets, webhook, and cheatlayer.com, this will automatically be filled in for you, so you don't need to do this. Otherwise, paste in your Google Sheets webhook URL, click Save, and then run the product search script, and then at about 5 to 10 seconds it will begin the script, which will go through the search, scrape the data from the search pages, and then send them to a Google Sheets. Like this. Pretty cool. And I'll just wait a little bit longer just so we can see another result. And there you go. If you need help editing any of these scripts, feel free to contact the live chat or schedule a screen sharing with us. Thank you.